This place is nice. What? Trevor?
You guys are in my throne room.
It's a nice throne, man.
Either that or it's a priest chair. I think it's a priest chair.
You might be dishonoring someone, but it's okay.
Oh! That's all I can do.
Hey guys, it's your boy.
So essentially,
Zach Covert.
Essentially, it's really wet out, so...
Hey guys, so next time we move, ready first, because I have to go back still.
Anyways. It's wet. So we in here.
It's wet out and it's dry in
here.
In here, yeah, it's really nice in here actually.
It's not like... It smells pretty clean.
It does smell really clean. This is the cleanest I've felt in a few days. Well, I don't feel clean, but then again, there's also all these beats that we're playing that are definitely not clean.
Not clean.
We'll clean them. It'll happen someday.
Oh, yeah.
James, I can't feel my hands.
I can't feel my hands.
Vibes, do you guys have the Omar syndrome?
The Omar syndrome? Are you shaking?
The shaky hands?
Yeah.
My hands don't shake. I have some
Yeah, the roomie's got the Omar shake.
Oh, it's in there.
My hands are fine.
You have nice hands, man. Jeez. Yo. Oh, my hair is horrible.
Is that how you're gonna start off every single video?
With my hair looking back. It's because it's the first thing I see. I'm sorry, Mom. My mom hates my hair. She straight up tells me how much she hates my hair. There's no sympathy. These past couple days were awesome. Long story short. Really quick. It's starting to go by really quick.
Yeah, and I don't want it to.
Like, I felt like I just woke up. That's scary because I'm having fun. I'm really starting to enjoy this stuff. We're starting to really get through all of the music that we had given to us. Funny thing that happened, we had to take 2 trips with the Gator, but the second trip, Eric didn't take the trailer. Eric's a Gator driver, if you didn't already get that. But who did you go with?
I went with Tim, and Reed was already there.
All that was really left was the gong, right? The tam-tam. And meanwhile, while Eric's getting this stuff, we're loading the truck. And then we realize we have to get the gong in before we can fully pack up. And then Colin says, wait, how are they getting the gong over if they don't have the trailer? And he goes, oh, it would be so funny if someone was carrying it from behind. Yeah, Reed! Woo! Yeah, Reed! We see the trailer come up, it turns. Reed is sitting on the back of the Gator holding the tam-tam. That made my night right there.
When he first mentioned it, I thought he was joking. Like, he was like, yeah, I'll just sit in the back. And you're like, oh, okay. But then he actually did it.
So let me walk you guys through my setup. Right here we got an amazing 8 terabytes of video place. Yeah, I got my laptop here. Yeah, it's also my college laptop. I got all of my camera equipment right here. This is my camera bag. I got this John here, which is what I attach to my board, and then you guys get all those like sweet time lapses and stuff. In there is a bunch of batteries, and in these little pockets you got some SD cards. I have one 128 gig and then like 4 32 gig SDs, and then on top of that I have another 4 32 micro SDs and then a 64 micro SD for my GoPro. Right there, that's my GoPro, John. And yeah.
And over here, you've got Albanese gummy bears.
These are essential to your setup. If you don't have Albanese, you're wrong.
Stop by your local Wawa.
So yeah, that's about it for today. We had some sectional time for the first time, end of day 3, so that's pretty cool. It was fun. Like it actually helped me out a little bit, and it was chill. It was really chill, and I got to get some, like, you know, time to understand how I fit in with the group and stuff like that, and that's really cool. All right, well, yeah, so I know tomorrow we have dinner from some alumni who are coming to see the Sea Pit, and that's awesome. We're getting 5 guys, which is crazy.
Really?
So yeah, we're getting 5 guys.
Yo.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for checking out the Cadets vlogs. I'll see you next time.
I think it's on because it's blinking. Hello? How does that do the intro?
Give me this. Hello, I am here at the Cadets, marking my first season. Alright, hey guys, my name is Sean Nagpal. This is my first year with the Cadets. Enjoy the Zach vlog. I don't know what the vlog is called, but enjoy Zach's vlog.
Hey guys, this is Zach Covert. We're here with the Zob vlogs. or the Cadets vlogs. Yeah, you know, we're just walking the block right now. We're gonna do some PT. Actually, we don't do PT because we're in the pit, so. There's Joey Dwyer. It's a good time. Here, we have some more mellophones. Noah, say hi to the Cadets vlog. Avery, David, trumpet, Danny, some bass drums. Kelvin, say hi to the Cadets vlog.
What up?
Oh.
Can't even top that.
Trumpets. It's a good time. Hold our camera. Wait, record this. Happy Saturday.
I love you both so much right now.
Thank you.
Hey, today's Saturday.
Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the Cadets vlogs. I gave the GoPro to Charbel, and I'm really excited about that. Hopefully he got some good footage so I can show you in this next vlog. In the meantime, we lost someone. We were getting ready to go to ensemble. We just had it, and he tried to pick up the tent and ended up popping his shoulder out, James. This happened in 2017. He dislocated his shoulder. And now fast forward to today, a year later, and he did it again. And that makes me worried. He just got taken off into an ambulance. And I guess now we wait. If he doesn't come back tonight, I'm gonna try to call him. Try to get him on the phone at least. Yeah, it's sad.
I'm really sad.
Yeah.
I love James.
I'm gonna try and get a hold of him and see how he's doing. I think he was more in pain that he wouldn't be able to play now for some time. He might not be able to play for like a week. Who knows? We don't know. But I don't know, last time this happened, it really hit him. And I know that he was so excited for spring training and everything. I hope that everything goes okay. That's really it. We're going to dinner right now. Some alumni brought us Five Guys, which is actually really awesome. I'm really excited for that, and that's gonna be pretty fun. Gonna meet some alumni, gonna get some good food, and yeah. So I guess we'll kind of see how things play out from here because it's a little crazy. So update, James is back, and he's on morphine. He's gonna go to an orthopedic on Monday, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to talk to the camera for a little bit? Talk about your experience in the ER.
So they gave me a bunch of morphine. So they just started like yanking on my arm. I give like the pain index rating like a 30 out of 10.
Really?
Yeah, it was awful. Like, so you're like sitting down, and then they say, okay, we're gonna pull, and so they like tie your two wrists together, and then they just start yanking, and they just keep stretching you until eventually it just went like, and it just popped back in place.
So was there any like muscle damage at all, or you don't know yet?
Maybe a bit of muscle damage, but that will heal, but no bone damage.
So you're probably gonna be taking a break for next while?
Yeah, I know. Tomorrow I'm gonna be a lazy potato boy and just like watch all y'all do everything.
If you want, you can film.
I'll just solicit. Yeah, I'll be a filmer. I'll do that.
All right. Hopefully things are gonna get better. You're gonna go get fully checked out on Monday. That's good. You already look fine. Like there's obviously nothing too serious going on, but you're in pain.
Druggied up.
And you're also drugged up. Yeah. All right. Well, that's for tonight. We're gonna do some sectional stuff, but that's kind of boring. You don't have to really see that. And then I guess we're gonna have another day after this one. It just keeps going, man. It doesn't stop, and it's...
They don't stop coming, and they don't stop coming, and they stop coming, and they don't stop coming.
Hey, guys.
Should we go this way or that way?
Blue arrow.
You're right! This way! Hey, guys, how you doing? Like, do you expect people to be like, good, Zach, thank you. Very great.